how you can turn on active status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can turn on active status on Instagram. So in order to turn on active status on Instagram, all you have to do is update your application first of all. If you have not, then head over to your Play Store and update it. After you're done updating it, click the open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, right on this page, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap the profile icon located right at the bottom and click the gear icon or the try bar icon from the top right hand side. Over here, you'll need to go to settings and privacy, and here you'll be able to see multiple options. Once you're on this page, you'll have to go to message and story replies. After that, scroll down a bit and go to show activity status. So in order to turn it on, just toggle the button. As soon as you do that, a green dot icon will appear next to your profile, which indicates that you're active on Instagram. Along with that, those who have enabled active status on Instagram, you'll also be able to see who are actually online on Instagram. So similarly, to turn it off, just toggle the button and you've successfully turned off as well as turned on. So in that way, you can turn on active status on Instagram. Well, that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.